Alright, let me just say, if you a YouTuber and you bought a C8 Corvette so you can be the first to get your YouTube content out, but you kind of just been waiting to get your content out, you might want to start producing those videos like right away. I mean, don't wait. You probably need to produce 2-3 videos a day, not 1 or 2 videos a week. This doesn't look like one of those situations where there's going to be a lack of content. You want to get your content out on the C8 now. Look at this. Look at this. You have no idea how already oversaturated the C8 content is on YouTube. I mean, just look at it, man. I mean, it wasn't like you didn't expect this. I'm just saying, if you're one of those people that you bought your C8, you know, you putting out 1 video here, 2 videos here. Hey, man, I think that's probably a bad idea. I mean, I think let's see, 650 bought YouTuber bought a C8, and so far he's only got 1, 2, 3 videos. That's not enough. You need to have by now 10 videos, because I mean, just look at all these Corvette C8 videos, and all of these tabs
is the 2020
has somebody doing a video
and
on
you know,
C8, 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 C8. Oh damn, that sounds good. Let me go back. Oh, yeah.
It's been 2 days, boys.
C8.
I am sorry.
C8. I'm sure you get the point here. C8.
Right here, comes in a
C8.
Oh, boys, the hype is real. Welcome to
C8. Hey, man. Don't be waiting to put your C8 content out, because these other guys, shit, they going for it. I predict probably about in another week, probably everything you can do with a C8 on YouTube would have been done, other than I run my C8 into a brick wall and survive. Because they're gonna do everything else to them, you know. How much groceries can a C8 hold? How fast can a C8 go in first gear? I turned my C8 off at 150 miles an hour. Everything that you could possibly do with this car is gonna get done in the next week or so. So if you sit here conserving your content, trying to drag it out, nah. You need to do a video every day of everything you can do with this car. Yeah, that's my take on it. Cause I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm kind of getting sick of looking at the C8. I mean, it's just so much you can do to it, and the big YouTubers, they're doing it. So If you're a week late, you're a week short, and probably not gonna get the kind of views that you want. Doug DeMiro, 4.8 million views on his C8. Can I filter this by views? Short, long, live, view count. Let's see, I can do it by view count. So Doug DeMiro, Jay Leno running neck and neck. Donut Media, 3.5 million. Jay Leno got another 3.5 million video. 1.9, 1.5. Yeah. Cletus McFarlane, 1.3. Cletus got 2 videos. He don't kind of beat this dead horse too. The Stradman bumped up with 1.3 million. TJ Hunt, 1 million views. I don't see Street Speed up in there, up in the view count. Yeah, see, these guys, they went straight to pumping out them videos left and right. I think Street Speed took his and had it. Took like a week or so to have it wrapped. Yeah, but he got some decent views. 679, 683. Omi got 671. So they getting the views because they getting them out there. But I imagine in the next week or so, you're gonna be pretty much, I mean, they still gonna get some decent views, but you're gonna pretty much seeing everybody do everything you could do with a C8. So enjoy. What? Christina got hers now? Damn, she put her, oh wait a minute. Oh, she hasn't got her. This is an old video. Yeah, but you can see the YouTubers really are going hard on the C8 content. And that's cool. It's good for GM. But you think this is bad? Wait till the Z06 come out. That's gonna be serious overload.
Bye.